10 effective ways to treat asthma at home. In people with asthma, the airways become narrow and produce a lot of mucus. It triggers difficulty in breathing, wheezing, coughing, and shortness of breath. Several factors can increase the risk of suffering from asthma. Some of the risk factors include having a blood relative with asthma, smoking, being overweight, and passive smoking. For some people, asthma doesn't pose many problems. However, there are others who suffer from asthma attacks. Are you tired of having to latch onto your inhaler and your asthma medications? Do not let them go just yet. Make a few changes to your lifestyle so your symptoms ease up a lot. Before going into the video, discover the forgotten power of plants, the Home Remedies Handbook. You'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies in the lost book of herbal remedies. It includes recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that all of our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 high-definition, color pictures for each plant, and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So make sure to check the first link in our description to get the book. Now let's get into today's video. 1. Make changes to your diet. There is no specific diet for asthma patients, but the exclusion and inclusion of a few elements in your diet can make a considerable change. Being overweight has been known to affect and trigger asthma symptoms. Include lots of fruits and vegetables in your diet. To reduce the inflammation around your airways, consider sources rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene. Omega-3 found in salmons, mackerels are also known to help with inflammation. If any particular food seems to make your symptoms much worse, make a note and avoid consuming it. 2. Using the Popworth method. The Popworth method has been used since 1960 to help people with asthma. It is a type of breathing and relaxation technique. It makes use of the nose and diaphragm to develop breathing patterns that will suit the asthma patient. These breathing patterns can then be used while engaging in activities that can possibly flare up your asthma. Popworth method is a way of controlling overbreathing that is basically rapid and shallow breaths taken at the top of the chest. 3. Practicing Buteyko breathing technique. This is also a system of breathing exercises. Buteyko breathing technique focuses on breathing out through the nose and not the mouth. Breathing out through the mouth can dry up the mouth and the airways very fast, resulting in more problems. Practicing and using BBT also makes you less prone to suffering from respiratory infections. Buteyko breathing technique can also be instrumental in decreasing your asthma symptoms with the help of slow and gentle breathing through the nose. 4. Using honey. Honey can be used during the winters as a remedy for cold. It can be used to soothe a sore throat and prevent coughing. Coughing can worsen symptoms of asthma. You should be careful during winters as not to catch a cold. Mix honey with hot tea and drink it, or just have a spoon of it every morning with 2 or 3 tulsi leaves. 5. Have garlic. Do you love the smell of garlic in food? Good for you, because not only does garlic enhance the smell and flavor of food, it also has certain medical qualities. Garlic has great anti-inflammatory properties. In the case of asthma, the surrounding areas of the airways become swollen. Garlic can help to reduce inflammation, thus reducing the symptoms of asthma. Put garlic in your food or sauté it with some nigella and enjoy it, as it soothes your airways and helps to open them up. 6. Include ginger in your diet. Just like garlic, ginger has anti-inflammatory qualities too. A study conducted in 2013 showed that ginger supplements were able to ease symptoms of asthma. Having some ginger daily can help you get some relief. Add ginger to your tea during winters. You can also add ginger while cooking your food and reap its benefits. 7. Yoga and practicing mindfulness. The benefits of yoga are manifold. If you want to get relief from your asthma symptoms, make sure you do yoga every single day. Yoga incorporates breathing and stretching exercises. It will help to increase your flexibility and also boost your overall fitness. Some yoga poses that can help open your throat and chest are the bound angle pose, bow pose, bridge pose, camel pose, cat pose, cobra pose, cow pose, and cat pose, among many others. Meditate every day and increase focus on your mind and body. The focus on breath and stress control from yoga and meditation will help you a lot in breathing easily. 8. Turmeric. Are you prone to many allergens? Developing various kinds of allergies can worsen your symptoms of asthma. Turmeric has been known to have strong anti-allergy properties. Histamines are known to cause inflammation. Turmeric affects histamines that can stop inflammation. It can relieve symptoms of asthma and help you in preventing asthma attacks. Cook your food with turmeric every day. 9. Caffeine intake. Caffeine has many similarities to theophylline. Theophylline is a bronchodilator drug that is used to open up the airways in the lungs of asthma patients. Because of its similarities to the drug, caffeine can be a good home remedy that can help you ease your asthma symptoms. Caffeine can be found in coffee, tea, cocoa, and various cola drinks. Hot beverages also help open up congested airways. Drink hot tea or coffee to feel and breathe better. 10. Take steam baths. Steam baths are often used to alleviate nasal and chest congestion. Steam treatments are not an asthma treatment but can definitely improve your condition. Steam baths can provide moisture to your airways, relieve you of congestion, help you get rid of accumulated mucus, and let you breathe more freely. And don't forget to check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies book, where you'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies on how to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description.